Let's go. What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial professional. Welcome to my channel. Okay. What up, everyone? Team Crawford, Koya, Peasy, Swirls, Zach, what's up, everyone?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thank you, everyone, for being here. Nice and early. Appreciate everyone. Team Crawford doesn't have mod anymore. That's weird. Maybe I took it off. Anyway. Thought you did. Give it back. There we go. Alright. So, yeah. So, first of all, welcome back to, Team Crawford. It's been a while. A couple months. Something like that. Don't even remember. But glad to have you back, dude. Trading again on Discord and watching the show. Welcome back. Appreciate you. Netflix ripping. Really? Well, we'll check it out in a second. I did not see it yet. They do have earnings. So I'm assuming they're good earnings. And, you know, I am still holding the Netflix bag. So, I'm hoping to be pleasantly surprised in a second here. We'll check that out. So, yeah, we'll check out Netflix in a second here. Don't know what happened, but it sounds like good earnings. And, you know, my bag's getting lighter here. Well, not really green, but I feel like Netflix is going to fill that huge gap. I still did not see Netflix yet, so we'll check out in a second here. I'm giving TD another chance, going to go Rainbow Bearing tomorrow, and if it fails, I will move. Dude, like you literally cannot. Like, I'm telling you, you have to use IBKR if you're shorting professionally, or if you're taking it seriously. Like, every other brokerage, they don't have the shares available. They charge you a lot for margin and borrow rates. They don't have every exchange available. It's just, it's not even a question, dude. If you're very serious about shorting, you need to use IBKR. Like, they are the platform. They specialize in this stuff, you know? All these other ones, I would say Weeble's the second best platform to start shorting. And they're pretty terrible, too. But, all these other platforms, you know, TD, Fidelity, Vanguard, or whatever, they cater to, you know, retail buyers, not shorters, not short sellers. So, alright, dude, you could give them another chance, but I'm telling you, they are going to fail. And if they don't fail tomorrow, they will eventually. It's very hard to make money short selling on a brokerage that doesn't specialize in short selling. Let's just put it that way. Zach says, yep, sold too early. Give me the clown real quick. Sold too early what? Netflix? If you want it, dude. I'm not sure what happened there, but sure. Here you go, dude. Good to be back and ready to get these tendies. Yep, absolutely. Glad to have you back. And, yep, been getting these tendies lately. These are Rainbow Bear tendies. Looks like we already got Fubo bots in here. If it went the other way, I could have been applying for Wendy's right now. Did you buy options on that? Or did you buy shares? I think they're shares, right, Zach? Anyway. So congrats to you. I'm not even sure what's going on, but congrats to you. And, yeah, you know, green is green. Green is good. Could have been better, but oh well. But I will be out of the game for 6 days, and I think Mullen will tank next week when tour postpones or cancels. Alright, dude, I definitely would not short Mullen. I mean, I think it's a terrible company, but in terms of price action and volatility, Mullen's not the best stock to short right now. But if you want to hold that for a couple months, couple weeks, couple months, then you should be able to make some decent money shorting it down. But, you know, I tend to get in. When you short, you want to get in and get out as soon as you can. You don't really want to hold things for that long. Anyway, so, you know, in my opinion, you have to use IBKR. There's no way around it. But, you know, you can try it out for yourself. Alright, guys. So, yes, already can tell it's going to be a great show. A lot of people in here, so appreciate everyone. Alright, let's get started. So, today is Today is Tuesday, October 18th, 2022. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. And you want your referral money? I totally forgot about that. I thought you were using your business account. That'd be nice, but $200. I want my ass with $200, dude. This is nice, but it's really nothing. I pay for my sister's dinner tomorrow, taking her out. No, like actually, you have to use them. Like straight up, there's no way around it. No other brokerage can even compare to what services IBKR offers. Not even just for shorting, but especially for shorting. Okay, what the hell was I saying? Okay, yep. So Tuesday, October 18th, and today we're doing the show from Tendytown. Tendytown, let's go. So it was better earlier in the morning. Market opened super in the green. Everything was up like 2%. It's since pulled back, but we do finish pretty good in the green here. So yeah, Tendytown today. Hope you guys made some fat tendies. I myself as a bear made some fat tendies today. Actually today and yesterday was green days, and I made some pretty good money being a bear. So yeah, everyone should have made tendies today for the most part. Boomers, apes, rainbow bears, everyone should have made tendies today. Hopefully it continues, but we'll see. But we'll get to my plays in a second here. So yeah, Tendytown today. And, excuse me. But honestly, not much is going on today in the market. It was a pretty uneventful day. Not much happening, not much news. Not many stocks to talk about. So as always, so I don't think today's show is going to be that long. Probably hour and a half to 2 hours today. Maybe closer to 2 hours because there are a lot of people chatting. So if the chat continues, if more people come in, then probably closer to 2 hours. But if no one's chatting and we just breeze through everything, probably hour and a half. So as always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. We got 3 articles today, minor articles. One about FTX and Voyager. They're transferring funds. I'm not going to give it away. But yeah, one about FTX and Voyager. One about Biden, President Biden, and baby deletion. Got some news about possible baby deletion or non-baby deletion, I guess. And then one about the new Rolls-Royce car. Rolls-Royce just came out with their, or they're going to come out with their EV called the Spectre. So we'll take a look at that car. But yeah, really only one market article today about FTX and Voyager. Everything else, the Biden and the Rolls-Royce stuff, it doesn't have to do with anything. Yeah, not much news today. So 3 minor articles. And for the T8 today, once again, we're going to do AVCT, American Virtual Cloud Technologies. We did that one yesterday. And good thing I didn't put out the video yesterday because I said it's a pretty decent price. It was a pretty decent price, but now it pulled back today. So now it's good, very good price, which we'll get to. But yeah, we've been doing AVCT a lot lately. Did it yesterday. We're gonna do it again today. I don't want to. We're really tired about talking about AVCT, but it is the hot stock again today. A lot of mentions, major price action, so we're gonna cover it again today. And then we'll get to the Yolos. Not too many Yolos today. I think we, let me count them. Or yeah, really not too many Yolos. Alright, 8 Yolos. So that shouldn't take too long. I think they're mostly memes too. Not too much actual core in there. So, yeah guys. So really not much content to cover today. So like I said, probably around an hour and a half. If no one's chatting, probably closer to 2 hours if there is chatting. But yeah, it should be a pretty short and chill show today. And a quick rant. I was going to go to the Yankees game yesterday. It's game 5 of the playoffs. Elimination game. I was going to go yesterday. And it got rained out. And of course they postponed the game. So right now, 4 o'clock. So, yep. So I can't go to the game because I'm here with you guys. My friends told me I should cancel the show to go see the game. But I said, no, I can't do that. But yeah, pretty upset about that. This damn weather. Now, why couldn't they reschedule for tonight? Got to do it right now. So now, yeah, now I can't see the game. But I'll be checking live. All right, guys. So appreciate everyone for being here, nice and early. And yep, let's do it. Sorry, bro. Go Guardians. Stephen Kwan, Rookie of the Year. I do like the Guardians, but you know, rooting for the Yankees tonight. I gotta go with my Yankees. But we shouldn't even be in an elimination game. This is pretty ridiculous. Anyway, all right, let's do it, guys. Gotta take a quick drink because my throat is getting pretty dry here, and it's kind of hot. So last time it was like hot. I may have to open the window later. It's okay right now, but if it gets too hot, I may just start coughing. And last time I opened the window and it got noisy and stuff. Anyway, just ranting now. Let's do it, guys. We appreciate you for putting up the show and canceling the game. Well, I would never, you know. You're not gonna take off work. Well, I guess people do. They would take off work to go, you know, have fun. But you know, it is what it is. And yeah, I would always. I'm never gonna miss a show unless it's an emergency or something. I've only missed one show ever in the 1.5 years since we've been doing this, and I told you guys ahead of time. So, you know, very committed to this. Okay. Are your seats nosebleeds or good ones? They're second deck. So not field level, but second deck. Pretty good. Even the nosebleeds are good, dude. I usually go nosebleeds for like $5 or $10. You could buy the nosebleeds and go sit wherever you want. They do not care. But even the nosebleeds are good seats. But no, we had not field level, but second level. I say do show on the road, then live stream game. Then I get hit with a copyright. This is what's gonna happen. Alright guys, let's do it. And before we begin, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Alright, so I guess we're looking at Netflix. Suarez, I think Zach already sold. I think that's what he's upset about, is that he sold too early. He took the win too early. Alright, let's do it, guys. So let's look at Netflix real quick first. Actually, let's do a scan. Let's do a scan first, and then we'll get to Netflix. Live rainbow bearing. Let me check YouTube real quick. We're at 5 viewers, 10 likes. Thank you guys a lot. Appreciate everyone.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
And if you got, excuse me, if you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. Okay. What's happening here? Alright, so there's Netflix. I see that. Should I short Netflix? No, I'm playing. I should probably sell this tomorrow. Netflix. But I don't, other than that, I don't see much going on here. United Airlines? Oh. Earnings. I guess there's a lot of earnings. So I'm not seeing any, big aftermarket action. Not from news, at least. So I'll come back to this. But I do see Netflix here, which I'm pretty stoked about. Alright, let's check out Netflix. Alright, okay, so 310 EPS beats the 213 estimate, so huge win there, huge EPS beat. And sales 7.93 billion, which beat the estimate of 7.84 4 billion. So yeah, huge win, huge beat on EPS here, or a huge beat on earnings here. They say Q4 EPS 36 cents. That's a big difference. All right, I don't know what I'm talking about there. Anyway, so yeah, very good earnings. This is now pushing 280. Wow. Wow, look at that big green candle. Big green Shrek D, Hulk D. This is at 94 RSI right now. This is crazy. Yeah, maybe I should sell this tomorrow. I think I'm going to do that. I think I'm emptying the bag tomorrow. It's still a bag, but it's a pretty light bag. Let's see. Sell for a loss? Yeah, it would be, but, you know, the loss was a lot more early. The loss was, I was down like 50% on Netflix. I was in at 350, and it came down to 170, less than that. So I was down 50% on Netflix, of all things. Now, what, 350? So I'm probably down, I don't know, 20% now? Not bad. Not a lot better than 50%. So I'll just take the loss, and I'll just tax harvest the rest. Yeah, I think I'm going to sell Netflix tomorrow. Whoever was shorting Netflix today didn't cover will have the squeeze of their lives. It's very hard to get squeezed out of... I think you're half joking there. It's very hard to get squeezed out of, you know, blue chip value stocks. But yeah, it's definitely not fun. And whoever bought calls are printing. Maybe we might have to go to reevaluate Wall Street Bets. See some gain corn, if there's any gain corn for Netflix later. What up, Eddie? What's up? Haven't seen you on Discord the past few days, dude. You alright? Taking a break? But appreciate you for being here, dude. As always. Okay. Cool. So yeah, Netflix mooning right now. It's pulling back a little bit. Looks like it's finally starting to pull back a little bit. But yeah, let's go. Netflix. And then tomorrow will probably be a bunch of upgrades coming in for Netflix. So I'll probably wait till the end of the day tomorrow to sell. Probably a lot of institutional money going to come in tomorrow. All right. So let's do my plays today. All right. Gonna take a quick sip. All right, let's do it. So, let's actually do this. Okay, so ACOR. So this one, if you guys been watching the past few days, it's been going really bad for ACOR. I'm in at 52 cents. This went to over $1 yesterday, and I was down 100%. But you know me, diamond balls, and it pulled all the way back down to, well, now it's at 76 in the aftermarket, but it pulled back to 73. So I was down 100% there. I was down 2K, and now I'm only down 1K. Made 50% back. So yeah, I made $550 today on ACOR. APDN, that one I broke even today. No movement. FNGR, I finally covered this one. Finger FNGR. Covered this at 5 today. So I think $900 profit, something like that. Almost 50% profit there. So finally covered Finger. Big gain there. IMRA. So this one I double dipped. So I covered in the morning just for break even, like barely in the green. I think I made like $30. And then I wasn't going to go back for it, but then it started pumping all day. And at $4, I was like, this is a pretty good price. I think I'm going to go back for $4. So, yeah, I reshorted it at $4, and I'm actually down 110. It's at 421 now. I should have waited a little longer. I should have waited for market close, but I thought 4 was a good price. So yeah, I played it twice, still in it, and currently down 110. But I did make 30 and like 45 the other times I shorted this, so not really down 110, but down 110 on this play right now. IMUX, so still holding this one. Lost a little money today. Lost $50 there, $60. Did not go the right way. This went under 9, and then it came back up to 966. So, yeah, what a stock. What a stock. Doesn't want to go down. LASE. So, covered that one at 395 this morning, and I was in for like 4. Forget what price. I was in for 4 something, so I think I made like 100 or $200 there. Little profit. And last one, QNRX. I shorted this one midday at 290, and now it's down to 269. So I'm currently up about $80 there, $85. So in total, I'm up. Let's see here, 600. I'm up like $600 today, so pretty good, pretty good. I will take it. I was up a lot more earlier, but yeah, you know, green is green, green is good. So pretty fat gain in as a Rainbow Bear during a green day. You know, I think that's a good day, so I will take it. Okay, so yeah, kind of uneventful today. For me at least. Didn't really do too much, just really holding my bags. 600 is better than 0? Yeah, of course, dude. Absolutely, absolutely. And it's a lot better than, you know, working a 9 to 5. So, I'm very grateful. Count my blessings every single day. Certainly not complaining. Okay. Let's come back to the scan here. See if there's any aftermarket rainbow bearing we need to do. Still not seeing anything. Let's check out Market Chameleon here. But yeah, I don't see any aftermarket action really happening here. Yeah, so Netflix is the biggest runner right now in the aftermarket. That's pretty crazy. Okay. Watch list time. I guess we'll start on the red side. Okay. Gonna take a sip, and we'll do the watch list here today. All right. And I apologize about, you know, still being sick, guys. But I am getting a lot better from last week. So, you know, hopefully in a few days here, I'm all good to go. Should be by next week. I should be okay. Okay. Let's do it. So the Dow Jones up 1.12%. NASDAQ up 0.77%. And the S&P up 1.17%. Let's go. Fat tennies today. 2 days in a row now, Tenny Town. When's the last time you could say that? Wow, I just realized ACOR came back up a lot. It was at 64, now it's back to 76, so that's a bummer. Lost a lot of money there. I didn't lose money, but I gave a lot back. Yeah, whatever. Okay. VIX is down 2.77%, down 0.87 points. So we're at 30.5 VIX now, which is still not good at all. 30 VIX is, still pretty dangerous. But better than 35, better than 40, which we were pushing not so long ago. So we are heading in the right direction now. Hopefully we, get to 25, 20 very soon. So VIX is coming down, but this is still very dangerous territory. All right, let's check out the watch list here. We'll start on the red side, because not much in the red. So number one loser on my watch list here is AVCT, which we will analyze first today, first and only, once again, unfortunately. Yeah, we got some random stuff here. Novavax is it? Novavax is at 19 now, bro. What happened to that stock? Mullen is down to 21.60 now, 21.6. Coinbase getting wrecked 4.3%. Ally Bank 4.65. That's pretty bad for blue chip. Mostly memes though. I'm really not seeing any value in the red here. But there's Meta, 0.9%. Alibaba, 0.55%. Verizon, Nike. That's about it. And these are way at the bottom. They barely went down. And Netflix was in the red, but now it's deep in the green. Oh, Intel too, 2%. So some value here, but mostly growth in memes. So yeah, I'm assuming everything was mooning. Check out the green side. And apparently, I saw this thing, China. Apparently, China did not release their CPI numbers. Or some numbers, I forgot what it was. But there's some data was supposed to come out today. Some Chinese data. And they did not release it. They withheld it. So, highly suspicious. They're probably, fudging the numbers or something. They're doing something there. And they're gonna release the lid numbers. And they're probably not accurate. That's why a lot of Chinese stocks are down today. Market does not believe. What up, Punk Skater? What's up? How did Smarter Gambling Capital Hedge Fund do today? First of all.
Hey. What's up?
Thanks for being a dude. Appreciate you as always. You got off work early or something? It's 4:30. Anyway, appreciate you, dude. And you joke about the Smarter Gambling Capital Hedge Fund, but that will be a thing. Probably in like 2 or 3 years. That will happen. Just need to, build $1 million or something first. But that will happen. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna call it Smarter Gambling Capital, but I am gonna open a hedge fund down the road. But I did do pretty decently today. Made about $600. Was up over 1,000, but I'll take 600. Mullen needs to be a teenager. You talking about I think I know what you're talking about. Well, I could care less, I try to warn these dumb apes ever since it was at like $3. Sell. No, don't listen to this idiot. Blah, blah, blah. David Mitchery, this is the next Tesla. Blah, 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 blah. So I don't feel bad at all. How did Punk Skater Capital get wrecked? Today was like pretty green, dude. Interested. Do you have puts? Do you know of November? Do you know if November is typically a slow month? I know December tends to be slow due to holidays next year. Did you cover Apple tanking the market 2 hours ago? No, I did not. I didn't even see that. So, November is a slower month, I would say. Slower than the other months. But I wouldn't call it a slow month. But you're right. December is a pretty slow month because there's a lot of days off. Yeah, people taking time off. So November is a slower month, but I wouldn't call it slow. Okay. Cool, let's get to the green side here. So I did see this, HLBZ, and you guys were talking in Discord about this earlier, HLBZ. Don't know why it's mooning. I think there was like insider buying or something. But big gainer here, 58% today. um, and then QNRX, which I just mentioned. I am in QNRX right now. So this went up 44% today. And I currently have a short position, trying to cover at 220, I think. 227. Trying to cover at 227. 1 second, guys. All right, cool. So we got Carnival, 11%. Not sure why. Remark Holdings. I tried to short this earlier. Didn't quite get to my entry. It almost did. Kind of tight. I made a lot of money there. He got to like 40. I tried to get in at 42. Never got there. Lockheed Martin, 8.7%. So it looks like the cruise is doing really good here. Carnival, Norwegian. Ethereum, 8%. Wayfair, 7%. Uber, 6.5%. MicroStrategy coming back, 6.3%. Big win for Target. Target went up 5.4%. BBIG is coming back up, back to $1. Yeah, there's airlines. So cruises doing good, or travel doing good. Airlines, cruises, hotels. Looks like financials doing well. Everything's doing well, but financials doing well today. Don't see much value up here yet. Oh, here we go. So Amazon 2.3%. Walmart 2.1, GM 2, Twitter 2. Yeah, a lot of value stocks are around 2%. Costco, eBay, pretty much everything. Yeah, so it actually wasn't the most price action. I thought there'd be more. So most of the price actions on the is on growth, but it appears like most of the value is in the green today. And there was some pretty decent price action on value, 0 to 2%. It seems like for the most part. So yeah, not much price action, but most of the stocks in the green here, especially the large market cap ones. So that would do it. So yeah, mostly everything in the green here. And that is why the market is up quite a bit today, over 1%, 1.17%. So congrats to all the apes. Tendies for everyone. For the most part, should have been tendies. Tendies for boomers, apes, rainbow bears, everyone. Okay. Point of view, you're pumping a girl from the back. Doggy. Man, you and the peaches, dude. You love them peaches. I can't blame you, though. You do live in Florida. They got some nice peaches down there. I know that. Okay. Comms back in top gainers for Webull. Gonna hold the rest of my shares as Lotto on comms. Alright, dude. Yeah, I did see comms. It has been mooning lately. And you did mention that on Discord. I didn't really see what your price was or what your profit is. But alright, dude. Sounds like a plan. Good luck to you. So congrats so far, and good luck, man. Hope it works out. I think I did want to short that one a couple days ago, but I don't think I was able to. I don't think they had shares. What up, low roller? What's up? You got news articles? Okay. We're just gonna look at market news. You know, anything else random in the world, we're not gonna look at because we got stuff to do today. Okay. So there you have it, guys. There's the stock market today. Really bullish day. Not as bullish as yesterday, but yeah. So 2 days in a row. 2 days in a row. Tendy Town. When's the last time you could say that? It's been a while. So yeah, congrats to everyone. So I hope you made some pet tendies, everyone. And if not, hope it wasn't too bad. Alright, let's get on to... Well, let's do another scan, and then we'll get on to crypto and the news. You don't want to see Kanye West crazy news? What, his interview? I don't care, dude. I mean, I wouldn't mind, but we got stuff to do. You know, we can't be wasting time. Especially because now, these days, the show is getting longer and more popular. So we can't just, you know, be... Back in the day, we could mess around and chill and stuff. But, you know, nowadays, we actually have to get through the show. Because we waste a lot of time. So... in the end, so from now on, in the end of the show, if there's extra time, we can look at whatever random stuff you guys want to look at. But during the show, let's keep it to, you know, actual market stuff. Okay. Alright, we got something here. Fury, F-U-R-Y. No news, though. Alright, still not seeing... still not seeing any aftermarket action. Oh, actually, I guess there is something. What is that? OFIX? How did I miss that? Okay. We got something here. This is from yesterday, though. Alright, we're not going to go for this. Alright, give me a second, guys. Let me pull up crypto and the news today. Alright, let's just give this, the hell? Wow, this is bad. Let's just give this, about, 20 seconds to finish loading here, and we'll get started with crypto. But I did not see crypto today. I did not look, and, this is the first time I'm seeing it. This is really bad. Alright, so IMRA is pulling back down to 412. Nice. And QNRX pulling back down to 262. So, nice. Nice. But ACOR is going back up, which is not good. Hope they didn't get an upgrade there. It's not. Alright, well, diamond balls. Okay. Let's do crypto. And here comes first hour in the day. So I'm going to talk over, guys. My apologies. Okay. So here's crypto. That is down 6% today. I'm not really sure why it's down this much. Is that an error? I think that's an error. I don't know. We'll see. It says 6%, but that does not seem right. Let's check it out here. So Bitcoin down 1.1%, pushing 19K. Ether up 1.25%, 1,300. Yeah, I don't think this went down 6%. There's no way. But I do see a decent amount of red here. So XRP down 1.5, 1.85. Binance down 0.6. I don't know if I have to keep clearing my throat today. They didn't have to do this the other days, but there's a lot of them pretty backed up here today. Cardano down 1.65. Solana 1.8. Doge 0.5. Polygon's up 3.9%. So there is a lot of red here, but I don't see too much price action. Maybe it is right. I don't know. Let's sort this out. Alright, so I guess we'll start on the green side. Or maybe it was down 6%. Maybe it was down 6%. Because there's really not much in the green here. Let's see here. So let's just call it... Let's call it 15% of the coins in the green. It's really not much. That may be generous. But yeah, 15% of the coins in the green, 85% in the red. Yeah, and on the green side, not much price action. Biggest gainer is Raven Coin, 5.88%. And I don't see too much value here. Got Uniswap, Polygon, Monero, Cosmos. But yeah, really not much happening on the green side here. Not many coins in the green, not much price action. And on the red side, so also on the red side, it doesn't appear like there's too much price action. But most of the coins are in the red here. 85% of the coins in the red. So that would do it. And there appears to be a good amount of value in the red too. So we're not even going to run down the list. But yeah, that would do it. So most of the coins in the red. Price action either way. Price action both ways, not that crazy. But most of the coins in the red today. More value in the red. So that is why crypto is down so much today. So pretty rough, but... Well, individually not that rough. But overall, the crypto market was pretty rough today. So there you have it, guys. So really bullish day in stock market. Bearish day in crypto market. So today... Today should have been bullish, or at least slightly bullish, depending on what you're holding. So yeah, go for crypto, but overall, let's get some applause. All right, let's get to the news today. So once again, guys, I got 3 articles myself. One about FTX and Voyager, which is the only legit market news we have today. One about Joe Biden and baby deletion, and one about Rolls Royce. And then Lower Roller has some stuff for us as well. All right, let's check it out. So yeah, this shouldn't take too long. These are all minor articles. So first article, 50,000 Ethereum transferred from FTX to Voyager amid investigations. Details inside. Okay. So, yeah, today they sent 50k Ethereum to Voyager. FTX sent it to Voyager. Which is about... Oh, and that's after they, This is after they got acquired. FTX bought Voyager recently for 1.4 billion. So it hasn't been approved yet, but it probably will get approved. And Texas is currently suing FTX. Anyway, so yeah, it looks like they're now starting to incorporate Voyager into the FTX platform, and just bailing them out too. So yeah, SBF, the man. FTX, Binance, Coinbase, Crypto.com. The monopolies get bigger and bigger. Okay. Next one. Biden asked Biden to ask Congress to codify Roe v. Wade baby deletion rights protections if Democrats keep control. President Joe Biden announced Tuesday that he will push the next U.S. Congress to codify the baby deletion's rights protections outlined in Roe v. Wade if Democrats keep control of the legislature. Biden announced his pledge during a speech Tuesday. Republicans are favored to regain control of the House, while Democrats would likely have to pick up Senate seats to pass a baby deletion rights bill. Okay. So yeah, modern news. So we did see the Supreme Court overruled this, and then Biden's doing whatever he can to help out right now. I think he made the colleges. Yeah, we saw the other day. He's making colleges give these services. And this is a big if. This is a if the Democrats keep control, which they probably will not. But so yeah, modern news here. If the Democrats keep the Senate and the House, probably not. Baby deletion rights will be the law of the land. Okay. So let's just quickly go over this stuff. This doesn't really matter too much. So Rolls-Royce says it already has hundreds of U.S. orders for its $413,000 Spectre electric vehicle. Another siren. My apologies, guys. So that's quite a bit of money. So first of all, who's paying $413 for a car? That's ridiculous. I don't care how rich you are. It does look pretty cool, though. Let's see, 413,000 times 300. That's a lot of money. $124 million already, right there. And then it says GM has their own vehicle, which I think Low Roller has a link for us there. So yeah, Rolls-Royce, first EV, 400K, 413K. Bankrupt crypto lender Voyager plans to settle CEO and CFO negligence claims related to 3 hours loans. Oh, yeah, I remember this. We did cover this. So yeah, the executives and the company were not on the same page, and they're in a lawsuit right now. It seems like the executive is going to win. Yeah, they have to pay him. They have to pay him $1 million and some other people. So minor news here as well. The Voyager's getting bought by FTX, so this is probably not going to be a problem. Okay. Last one. So this is GM's car here. GM tests limits of Cadillac's brand power with $300,000 Celestiq electric car. All right, so it's a Cadillac. That's why. Got it. It's a Cadillac. So I can understand why a Rolls-Royce is 400K, but a Cadillac should not be 300K. That is ridiculous. So I wonder how many people are going to buy this. Probably not much. Okay. So yeah, a Rolls-Royce 400K and Cadillac now 300K. It looks pretty cool though. Look at the interior. That's really nice. All right, cool. So so there's the news today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed that. All minor stuff. So it is now 4:53. So we're right on time here. Let's do a quick scan once again, and then we'll get to AVCT today. Not seeing anything. What up, Ken? What's up? If you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button, please and thank you. What do you think about SPY puts October 28th, 372? Okay, so personally, I wouldn't go for that. Not saying you shouldn't, but personally, that's a bit too risky for my liking. It's a good strike, you know, at the money, in the money. But, you know, that's like 2 weeks out. Not like a super FD, but it's pretty FD. So, personally, I wouldn't go for it. I would go for that. I like the strike, but I would definitely put the expiration further out. And this is not financial advice, you know. This is just my personal opinion based on how I like to trade. So usually, I'm not one for buying options. Like I really don't like buying options. So maybe I'm being a bit biased, but I would say if you are gonna buy options, I would extend the expiration date further out. So it's an okay play in my opinion, but I'd make it a little safer by extending the expiration date. Voyager still has their coins locked. Oh yeah, I thought they released them, but okay, apparently they're still locked. Do you have coins in there, dude? I hope not. But but we just saw FTX bail them out, so everyone should be getting their money back. Not my style. We'll get the Dodge Banshee. Dodge Banshee. I've never heard of that. Is that a new EV? Okay. Well, I think I'm just going to go get a Tesla. But, yeah, you know, be smart with your money, guys. Buy something that's affordable. Like, you know, 50K around there, not 300K. Okay. So, let's check this out here. See if there's anything going on aftermarket, and then we'll get to AVCT. Not seeing anything. Okay. That's unfortunate. So let me just make sure there's no news. What do you think about that put? Dude, I just answered your question. Were you not here? I said I like the strike, but the expiration, I don't like the expiration. Not saying it's bad, but I'd probably push the expiration out a couple of weeks. It's too risky for my liking. But, you know, good luck to you, dude. Still got the sirens low? Yeah. I haven't moved yet. Now, hopefully soon in, like, maybe a year I can move to Queens. But yep, still here. Still in the heart of Manhattan. Siren still lives next to a hospital, so Siren's still here. Yeah, Laura, I did see your message, but we don't have time to just be doing random stuff today. So let's just move on. Okay. So I'm gonna take a quick drink. Gotta take a quick drink, and let's do AVCT here. Okay, let's do it. Alright, so this shouldn't take too long. Maybe 20 minutes or so. So, it's 4:57. So, I think we'll be done by 4:45, 5:45. We should be done by 6, but I think we'll be done in half hour to 45 minutes. Yankees 4, Guardian 0 in the second. Let's go. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. So yeah, I was gonna say I'd be kind of mad. Well, I'd be happy if the Yankees won, but I'd be mad because I didn't get to go But if they lost, I wouldn't feel so bad because then I didn't go. But then if they win and I didn't go, I'd be kind of upset. So it's both bittersweet. Anyway, I just want the Yankees to win. Did Judge hit a home run? Someone had to hit a home run. All right. All right, let's do it. So here is AVCT, American Virtual Cloud Technologies. This finishes at $1.60. This finishes at $1.61 today. $1.60. I cannot talk. $1.61 today. That is down 28.13%.
And it's gone.
So we've been analyzing the stock quite a bit lately. For almost 2 months. This first initially squeezed back in September when the company announced that they were looking to sell either part or all of their company. When the company announced that they were looking to sell either part or all of their assets. So that was really bullish news, caused the squeeze. It sold off. It then pulled back very significantly. It looked like the squeeze was done. But then we started getting more rumors of a buyout. So the apes came back, squeezed the stock again. And then ever since then, the stock has been getting wrecked due to a few things. The company announced a reverse split. So that definitely did not help. That was bearish. And then they announced that they were probably going to need more capital in the near future. So more bearish news. And then today, we did get breaking news that the company is doing an offering. So let's check that out real quick. Let's see. So it says they're doing a $10 million registered direct offering and concurrent private placement. So yeah, they're doing a capital raise, which means dilution. But you can't even be that mad because they literally said they were going to do this. But yeah, really bearish news. And the stock sold off quite a bit today. 28%. Very nasty. Let's see here. This was number 2 on StockTwits today, after SPY had about 4,000 mentions. So once again, we're going to analyze this stock. So my analysis here, excuse me. So my analysis here is going to be more or less the same from the previous shows, just with the updated price action today. All right, let's jump right in. Let's go ahead and analyze here. Judge and Stanton home runs. Nice, let's go. Took a small loss on AVCT. All good. Made more overall than I lost. All right, congrats, dude. Yeah, I'm glad about that. It was pumping like crazy, so glad to hit the sub button. What up, Finno? What's up? TQQQ is easiest for options right now. Do you day trade or swing trade options? I don't trade options. I don't day trade or swing trade options, dude. I guess I swing trade options. I mostly just sell covered calls. So I guess that counts as a swing trade, but not really. I'm not the biggest fan of trading options. When people do trade options, I always recommend selling options, not buying options. And honestly, I don't think day trading options is ever a good idea. High risk, high reward. So I'm gonna say neither on those. Well, sometimes I swing trade options. I sell covered calls. I guess that counts as a swing trade. But other than that, no, I don't really mess with options too much anymore. Not that it's just because rainbow bearing shorting is much more profitable, for me at least. All right. If you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. TQQQ volume is going crazy. I wait to open and just go off that, and it's working since we had the low 60. All right, dude. Well, I'm glad you found a working strategy. But is it a consistent winning strategy? I'm not saying it's not. I just really don't know. But if it works, dude. Congrats to you. Sounds like some fat tendies. So I hope it keeps working. Okay. Let's do it. Let me draw one more here. All right, I guess we'll go to $4 and down to the low here. So right now this is sitting on the support of one. All right, looks like I just got disconnected real quick from OBS, so I think we're good now. Let's continue. So 195, 205, 210, 225, 240, 250, 260, 275, 285, $3, 310, 330, 345, 355, 375, 395, and then 410. There is resistance above 410, but we're not going to discuss that right now. Oh, I messed up. I did the price first. I should have did the indicators. My bad. We'll just finish up here and then we'll do the indicators. Go in reverse today. All over the place. Yeah, so there is resistance above $4. There is resistance above 410, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 155 and then the low of 121. 121 is the all-time low, so no support below that. Okay. So right now with the current price, 161, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized. So expect a regular amount of price action, either way this goes. However, if slash when this breaks 640, oops. However, if slash However, if slash when this breaks 645 to the upside, the channel starts to open up and get wider. So expect a significant increase in price action if slash when this breaks 645 to the upside. And to the downside, if slash when this breaks 155, the channel starts to open up and get wider. So expect a significant increase in price action if slash when this breaks 155 to the downside. And this did 28 million in volume today, which is way above the average of 1.4 million. Second biggest volume day of the year after yesterday. So very significant volume. So the sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. All right, my bad. Now let's do the indicators. Should have did this first. So first of all, we have a cup and handle in the making. The bottom of the cup is the low of 121. And there can be multiple possible tops. It can be 270, 290, 315, 445, um, 470, 590, 630, 690, or 780. Although I do believe the most realistic tops would be what did I say? 270 or 290. But those are all bullish indicators. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. We also have an inverse head and shoulders forming. The first shoulder formed back here at around $2. The head formed at the low of 121. And now the second shoulder is forming. So the inverse head and shoulders is a bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock may be due for a breakout. And then we have a double gap down. First gap down is back at 395, so that's a bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 395 to fill this gap. And the second gap down was back at 850. So another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 850 to fill this gap. Channel RSI MACD. here we had a descending channel forming, where the upper channel was at 150 and the lower channel was at 50 cents. So if this broke 150 to the upside, that'd be bullish, and if this broke 50 cents to the downside, that'd be bearish. This did in fact break 150 to the upside, so the descending channel was and still currently is a bullish indicator. Okay, move my screen here. The RSI, the relative strength index, is currently at 41, so not quite oversold and undervalued, but definitely below average there. So the RSI is a bullish indicator that is telling us that the current price of 161 should be a little bit higher. And on the MACD, the moving average convergence divergence, the MACD line is below the signal line. So that's a bearish indicator, and is pulling away. So that's a bearish indicator that is telling us that it may be time to sell. Okay. All right, so we already did the prices. Okay. COM is looking good to retest 17. Let's go. That's why I sold today, lol. Sold what, AVCT? All right, let's finish up here. All right, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. And I hear his damn siren coming. So it's been a very, my God, I should just wait for this to pass. All right, never mind. So it's, maybe I should wait for this to pass. All right, sorry guys. Give me a couple seconds here to let this pass. This is pissing me off. IMUX is trolling. What's IMUX at right now? Yeah, it's going up in the aftermarket. Not good. I mean, it's not going up that much, but it just doesn't want to go down. So, you know me, diamond balls, but this is getting pretty frustrating, for sure. I will catch them when AVCT turns back bullish because they will sell out to someone in the near future, in my opinion. Okay. So about that, and this is just my opinion, I don't think they're going to sell out. I don't think they're going to get acquired. I've seen this over and over again. I hope they do. But, with these meme stocks, I've seen this so many times where the apes think they're getting acquired and they all lose their money. So, I'm going to say no on that. But I sure hope so. I sure hope it pumps buying the rumor, and I sure hope it does get acquired. But, based on my experience, don't count on it. I'll just say that. Okay. Back to this. So it's been a really rough month for the stock. So I hope apes took your profits, because as with every squeeze, the stock comes right back down. So it's never a bad idea to hit the sell button and secure the gains. And if you guys didn't sell and you're bag holding, that's all right. Everything is a learning lesson. So next time you know so next time you know to hit the sell button and rebuy at a better price. So I did say in the previous shows that So I did say in the previous shows. Oh my god. Turn on volume here. So I did say in the previous shows that now would be a good time to start buying the dip, because it really can't go too much lower. And then it mooned to almost $3. And unfortunately today, the offering news really stopped. The offering news really destroyed all the momentum. So really rough month, really rough day, but my stance is still the same. This appears to be a pretty good buy right now for the short and long terms. Again, we have way more bullish indicators than bearish indicators right now. We have bullish indicators in the cup and handle, inverse head and shoulders, double gap down, RSI, and descending channel. And we only have one bearish indicator in the MACD. So based on the chart, the stock does look really bullish in the short and long terms. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice. Should have actually changed this back. That looks like a pretty good play to me. The current price of 161 isn't exactly an excellent entry, but definitely an above average entry here. And you really can't go too wrong. And you really can't go too wrong buying in here. Again, in the short term, this should come back up to 395 to fill the gap there. And from the current price of 161, do some math. And from the current price of 161, that would be about a 145% upside potential. So a lot of upside potential here. In the short term, And excuse me. And it's pretty hard to tell how low this may go, how low this may pull back. But there is some very critical support at 155. It's going to take a lot of selling pressure. It's going to take a lot of selling pressure to break that. So we'll just call 155 the low here. And from the current price of 161, that would be about a 5% downside potential. That would be about a 5% downside potential. So I would say going long at the current price, 161 would be a low risk, very high reward play. Definitely worth a shot. Definitely worth a shot, in my opinion. Yeah. So this really shouldn't go too much lower to the downside. So yeah, a lot of upside, a lot of upside potential, and not too much downside potential here, in the short term. So I can't support going long at the current price, 161, and if it pulls back, then you can just average down at these supports that I mentioned before. But whether you decide to go short now, but whether you decide to go long now, or hold off and wait for a better price, this should pay out. This should pay out pretty big. Down the road. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. For all the same reasons that going long is a good play right now, going short is a bad play. Again, way more bullish indicators than bearish indicators. Near the all-time low. Again, in the short term, this should come back up to 395 to fill the gap there, which would be about a 145% upside potential. And again, in the short term, this may come back down to 155, where the critical support is, which would be about a 5% downside potential. So I would say going short at the current price, 161, would be a very high risk, low reward play. Not worth it, in my opinion. You should have went short anywhere in the $6 range all the way down to $3. And here at 161, it's a bit too late to go short. You missed your chance, and you're likely going to get burned. You'd be shorting for crumbs and exposing yourself to massive upside risk here. So if you want to go short, please do that at your own risk. But I really don't see why you would go short here. Seems like a really bad idea. So I don't like the current entry of 161 on the short side. But I will say, if/when this does come back up to 395 to fill the gap, then I think that would be a pretty good price. To start shorting this down. But for the time being, the stock looks really bullish. So in summary, guys, Nasty day today. But 160, but the current price of 161 is a really good entry. So going long appears to be a good play right now, and going short appears to be, and going short does not appear to be a good play right now. So sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today, and good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is AVCT, American Virtual Cloud Technologies. All right, so that wasn't too bad, I don't think. Took about half hour, a little longer than I expected. But a lot of interruptions and me coughing and stuff, so my apologies about that. But yeah, we're done with the TA. Good stuff. Boring part over. I will go with experience over rumor, 100%. Thanks, big homie. It is always good to have someone to talk some sense into you. Big time offering was the rug pull in AVCT. Huge size bids and pumping. Huge size bids and still pumping comps. Nice. Okay. So, oh, Yankees 4, Guardians 1. Okay, cool. All right. So, yeah, you're welcome, dude. And thank you for listening, because that's the problem a lot of these apes have. I'm not always right, but most of the time I am right. And it just amazes me how, these apes literally think that they're smarter than a financial professional, like someone who does this for a living for years. And you got these apes coming here. Oh, I'm a genius. Here's my money. Bro. So, yeah, I've seen it over and over again. Buyout rumors. It's just all rumors. Anything like super rumor based always ends up not always, but like 95% of the time just ends up crashing and all the apes lose their asses. Good example, right? Oxygen, right? FDA approval. I'm sure you remember that. So, yes. So nothing is, ever set in stone. But whenever it comes to rumors, be very, very careful. Be highly skeptical. Hit the sell button, I would say. I can DoorDash you some cough spray or cough drops. I got some, actually. I just don't use them. For some reason, I have them right here. QNRX pumping? That is not good. Well, I wouldn't call that pumping, dude. Because I shorted it at 290. So I thought it went past 290. And I'm like, what, bro? So it's going up a little bit. But, yeah, I'm still in the green here. You had me scared for a second. I thought I was down money. IMRA coming back. A-Core coming back. All right, not bad. Cool. All right, guys. So do me a favor. Please smash the like button. Please, thank you if you haven't yet. So let's do one more scan before we get onto the Yolos. So it is 5:32. We should be out of here in 15 minutes. Yolos shouldn't take that long. All right, I'm still not seeing anything here. What's this? ISRG. Earnings. Okay. Yep, nothing's going on. Let's check Market Chameleon, but I think not much is happening here today in the aftermarket or the pre-market. Today's pretty uneventful. I see comms here up 8.9% in the post-market. So, nice, dude. All right. Give me 1 second, guys. Let me pull up the Yolos. and we'll finish up with the show here. All right, so we should be done with this really fast, actually. We have 7 memes and 1 actual coin. So, yeah, all for fun today. All right, so let's give us a minute to finish loading, and we'll finish up the show here. Gonna take a quick drink while this loads, and put it on mute real quick so I can clear my throat. Okay, still loading, but I think we'll get started anyway. And if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, anything, put it in the chat right now. Charts, anything you want me to look at, put in the chat right now. We will get to that before we end the show here. All right, so yeah, still loading, but we'll get started. Not gonna wait for this. All right, guys. So today this should be fun. Nothing too serious. We have 8 Yolos today, 7 memes, and 1 actual YOLO. So yeah, this really shouldn't take too long. Maybe 10-15 minutes. Very chill YOLO day today. Let's do it. First one, breakfast on the river. Pretty obvious sign that we were gonna rally. All right. So, as with every show, let's start off with every time we do the YOLOs. For the most part, we start out with Jim Cramer, the man, the myth, the legend himself, Jim Cramer.
We like to stop.
So what's he saying now? Take any chance to sell stocks during a busy week of earnings. Okay. So Cramer's bearish. He says sell the news, sell the earnings. So yes, Cramer says sell everything, and of course today moons. So you know what? I think everyone should thank Jim Cramer. And Jim Cramer, keep saying this. Just keep saying this forever. Actually, just keep on saying this till we're out of this recession. So I guess all week we're gonna pump, according to Cramer. If you inverse him, I sure hope so. Yeah, shout out to Jim Cramer. Always getting it wrong. And we're not done with Cramer just yet. So, what's he saying now? This is by Predict Any 007. Time to get out now if you went in last week. So, Cramer also says bank stocks could be the new market leaders. And financials did do pretty well today. But yeah, Jim Cramer is bullish on financial stocks. You know what that means, guys? If you own JP Morgan, Bank of America, TD, Ally, Discover, whatever, you might want to sell. Not saying you should, but you may want to sell. Because, this usually doesn't go well. So, we'll see how it goes. But yeah, Cramer says Cramer is bearish on earnings and bullish on financial stocks. or you can buy puts and short if you want, but I probably wouldn't recommend that. Anyway, so yeah, Jim Cramer with his wisdom here. We'll see how it goes. Shout out to Jim Cramer. IBKR is issuing 10-cent dividend. That's pretty cool. I don't have any stock. That's pretty cool. All right, next one by Diamond Nuts. That's awesome because we say Diamond Balls here. So this guy's name is Diamond Nuts. The real reason behind the rally, despite being in a recession. So we got a J Powell meme here. We must keep at it until the job is done. And then we see here, record retail buying puts. Starting next week. J Powell said, F your puts. So, you know, sometimes it really feels like this. Sometimes it really, really feels like this. You know, where the market makers, J Powell, whoever has the power, just knows what you're doing, and they just inverse you, and you get wrecked. So I know the feeling. But that's why I went to Rainbow Bear side. But yeah, you know, this is pretty accurate. This is pretty accurate. So shout out to J Powell and Diamond Nuts. But yeah, J Powell said F your puts. And then tomorrow he's gonna say F your calls. By Hands Nido. Okay, which one of you apes works at the fortune cookie factory? So, let's see here. Hold the people you care about with diamond hands. That's the fortune. Hold the people you care about with diamond hands. Well, I don't know if that's the best advice. Because what if their stock price goes down? Are you just gonna hold the bag forever? You gotta know when to cut. People can be toxic. You gotta know when to hit the sell button. Diamond hands is not the way. Anyway. So I don't know who came up with this, but you're a legend. If I ever got this as a fortune, I just keep it in my wallet. I think it's too much of a coincidence. No way. But yeah, shout out to the Fortune Cookie Factory. All right, by Ultimate Traders. When your portfolio was down 80%, but overall up 3% since yesterday low. So here's Arthur. So yeah, typical Wall Street Bets ape. Everyone getting wrecked, everyone gambling, everyone getting wrecked. One good day. Yeah! Yep, small moral victories. Moral victories here. So, you know, let them celebrate. Let them have their win. But yeah. This is very, very true. Of like 80, I would say like 75% of this forum. All apes, all monkeys. Not good investors, despite what they think of themselves. Just gambling addicts. This is pretty funny. Yeah, this used to be me. Fortunately, I'm on to better things now. I'm no longer an ape. Okay, 3 more. By Fenton7. Wall Street Bets horror movie. So Halloween is coming up. Are you calling from inside the house? No, this is your broker. We are based out of New York. Calling because your account just fell below the minimum equity. Uh-oh. The margin calls.
And it's gone.
So actually, this is a legit nightmare. This is a legit nightmare. Imagine. I'd rather be getting chased by, what's the guy's name? In Scream? Or even in Halloween. I'd rather be getting chased by some villain than have my broker call me telling me you're getting margin called. Bro, hell no.
Bruh.
So this is a good one. This is a good one. I like this meme a lot. This is pretty funny. So yeah, shout out to you, Fenton7. All right, 2 more. By Total Potential, 4043. How many monitors do you guys have? So here we got a little cartoon, little comic strip. Maybe I need a better mouse and keyboard? I don't get it. Why am I still losing? And you got denial sitting on your shoulder right here. You need 2 monitors. You need 2 monitors. All right, this one's pretty funny. Cause this is like a legit thing where you see these people have like 6 monitors, 8 monitors, complete overkill. You do not need more than 4 monitors. You don't even need 4. Anyway, usually anyone with over 4, it's to project an image, and they're not actually professionals. Cause all I use is 2, my laptop, my extended monitor, and my phone. So I use 3, I guess, like 2.5. That's all you need. That's really all you need. Like, you should not need any more than that. So, trust me, it's not the monitors. it's the person. And there's absolutely no way that you have so many tabs open to where you need more than 4, really. I guess it's convenient, but what are you staring at with with so many monitors? Anyway, so, yes, you don't get it. Why you're still losing? Because you suck at this. That's why. But you can, try to justify it whatever way you want. I'm proud of you, homie. Appreciate that, man. Appreciate that. Took a while, but, well, I didn't really, I never was a day trader until, like, in the past year, but, yeah, everyone starts off as apes. Fortunately for me, I started off way earlier than before, like, aping was even a thing. I was an ape before the apes was a thing. But, yeah, but we all start off as apes, got to make mistakes, and grow as investors. Or you can be a super ape and not grow as an investor. You can blame everyone else, manipulation, whatever. I'm a genius, and you can keep losing money, which is typically what Wall Street Bets is. See, you guys here in the community, generally speaking, most of you guys got wrecked on some stupid stock and want to improve, generally speaking. So I'm proud of you guys too. Like, definitely, there's members of all different skill levels, but for sure, I see the growth in everyone. So that makes me happy. Makes me feel like I'm actually providing value. I'm sure I am. But, yeah, it's a marathon. Long-term game here. Anyway, let's finish up. Last one, and this is the only YOLO. By Cytokin Storm. 40k of SPY puts expiring tomorrow. That out of the money short leg should save me. Right? Alright, so, yeah, we got a lot of FDs here. He actually sold. Interesting. Very interesting. All right, so I kind of see what's going on here. So we did a spread. All right, so it looks like a debit spread. A put debit spread. 357, 377 put debit spread. That's what it looks like here. Whatever. Not important. The important thing is 370 put. All right, so yeah, 370 put expires tomorrow, and it's currently out of the money by 1 point. And SPY is going up quite a bit in the aftermarket here, so that's bullish for tomorrow. This is really bullish for tomorrow. It is mooning. Wow, 374 now in the aftermarket. Holy crap! Tomorrow's probably going to be green as hell, guys. Anyway, not looking good for this guy. Not looking good at all. So, I don't care how rich you guys are. Do not YOLO $40,000 on FDs. Very, very stupid. And yeah, so I hope it works out, dude. But this is highly risky. And good chance it doesn't, because yeah, like I said, SPY is not is going to the upside in the aftermarket, and this is out of the money right now. So, yeah, right now he's down $5,000, and tomorrow he should be down 40,000. Good chance he's down 40,000.
And it's gone.
So, you know, the safest thing to do is probably to cut your losses, but this is Wall Street Bets. Apes don't know the sell button, so we'll see how it goes. Highly risky, highly entertaining. I hope it works out. So hopefully he posts tomorrow. So yeah, Sodakin Storm, thanks for posting. Again, you're a legend, dude. Good luck to you. Very risky. I don't recommend anyone do this. Very risky. Hope it works out. Not looking good, but I'm rooting for you, dude. So no matter what happens, please post updates. Want to see how this goes. Okay. Cool. So that's all the Yolos. Last order of business. Let's do one more scan, and then let's get out of here. So it's 5:50 now. So, yep. I said hour and a half to 2 hours. We're finishing right about 2 hours. All right, not really seeing anything going on in the aftermarket here. Nope. Nothing. SPRB? What's that? Alright, nothing. Okay. What's this? AGTC? Also nothing. Alright, guys. So that's the show for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let me check YouTube. Let me see where we're at. I think most people left, but let's double check here. Yeah, we're at 5 viewers, 12 likes. So I appreciate everyone who's still here. Vino, Team Crawford, Swirls, not sure, but appreciate everyone who's still here, who stuck through the whole show. Appreciate everyone. Appreciate all the regulars, all the new people, bots, trolls, everyone.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
All right, and that's all I got. So, I'll catch you guys tomorrow here and on Discord. Appreciate everyone for today's show. And let's get out of here. Go Guardian. What's the score now? It's a uphill battle. But they did come back the other day, so it's never over until it's over. 4-1. Okay, 4-1 bottom fifth. In pretty good shape here. I like our chances. All right, guys. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Let's get out of here. And watch comms keep mooning. Yeah, I did see comms. That is mooning right now. So congrats to you, Team Crawford. Hope it keeps on pumping. Hope you get those fat tendies. All right, peace out, everyone. Swarrows, Team Crawford, Koya. Finno, everyone here. Not sure who's still here. All right, cool. So once again, appreciate everyone. Let's get out of here. Catch you guys tomorrow. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out. Cool jacket, homie. Appreciate that. Yeah, I got this from Against All Odds, I think. But it is a pretty cool jacket. It's like a Japanese jacket. I'm Chinese, but I liked it. Alright, peace out, guys. Catch you tomorrow. And on Discord.